Hi, welcome back to the English Lessons channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's lesson, we are diving into 3 simple but powerful English words: have, has, and had. These words are used every day when speaking in English. But if you're still a little bit unsure of when and how to use them, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break it all down. And by the end of this lesson, you will be confidently using have, has, and had like a pro. Alright, let's start with have. Have is used when we are talking about the present or about things we own. So when speaking in the present tense and the subject of what you're talking about is plural, then we use have. Example, the students have completed their assignments. We're talking about more than one student. Plural subject, so we use have. The workers have completed the project. Workers is more than one, the plural subject, so we use have. So what goes in the blank space, have or has? The books, blank, being placed on the shelf. It is the books have been placed on the shelf. We use have with plural subject, books. We also use have with the pronouns I, we, you, and they. So you can say, I have 2 new books. I have. You have a lovely smile. And when using they, you can say, they have arrived. Not they has arrived. They have arrived, or we have arrived. Have or has. I blank a new book. What goes in the blank space? I have a new book. Have or has, you blank an awesome idea. You have an awesome idea. Have or has, we blank finished our homework. We have finished our homework. Have or has, they blank arrived. If you said have, you are correct. They have arrived. So when do you use had? Had is the past tense of have. So you use had when speaking about something that happened in the past. And we use all the pronouns here are used with had. Example, she had a great time at the party yesterday. So the party happened yesterday, so we use had. Use had when describing a past action that was completed before another action that happened in the past. It usually starts with I had or she had been. This is an example sentence. By the time I arrived, they had left. She had finished her homework before going to bed. Had or have. We blank eaten dinner when the guests arrived. If you said had, you are correct. We had eaten dinner when the guests arrived. We use had when describing possessions in the past. He had a car, but he sold it last year. You also use had when you're talking hypothetically or conditional, or when speaking with a conditional statement. If they had studied harder, they would have passed the exam. Had or have. If she blank arrived earlier, she would have met them. If she had arrived earlier, she would have met them. How do you use has? Has is also used when speaking in the present tense. And we use the singular pronouns she, he, and it with has. So you can say she has, not she have. She has gone to school. That is correct. So which one is the correct sentence here? She has returned the library books, or she have returned the library books? She has returned the library books is correct. Same with he. You can say he has, not he have. He has the ball. Which is the correct sentence? He has arrived or he have arrived? The correct one is he has arrived. You don't say he have arrived. It has is correct. You don't say it have. The square has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. Has or have. The blank, a beautiful house by the lake. They have a beautiful house by the lake. So now we know we use have with plural subject and plural pronouns, and we use has with singular subject and singular pronouns. All the pronouns here are used with had. Had is the past tense of have. So practice these sentences in your conversations, and soon enough you'll be using have, had, and has naturally. Hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press the like button and the notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos.